In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete workspaces in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove yourself from a workspace and what that means for the workspace itself. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. When your Google accounts appear, click the one that's connected to your Asana profile and complete any prompts that appear. This will take you straight into your Asana home screen. Once you're in Asana, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo or initials. From the menu that opens, select Settings. A settings window will appear. In that window, navigate to the Account tab. This tab controls your account level preferences and memberships across workspaces. In the Account tab, locate the area that shows your current workspace membership. You'll see an option labeled Remove Me from My Workspace or a similarly named workspace. Click that and then confirm the action in the pop-up. Asana will process the change and remove your account from that workspace. Here's what that means. If you are not the last member of the workspace, you are simply leaving it. Other members will still have access, and your tasks can remain in the workspace for them to manage. If you are the final member, removing yourself effectively deletes the workspace because no one is left inside it. Either way, once you confirm, your access is revoked, and you won't see that workspace in your Asana list anymore. A few important tips before you confirm. Make sure you're removing yourself from the correct workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name shown in the Account tab. If there's anything you need to keep, export important projects or download task data before leaving, and reassign any tasks you own so teammates aren't blocked. Also consider notifying your team so they know you're stepping out and can take over any responsibilities. If you don't see the Remove Me option, it could be because of your organization's settings or your role. In some cases, you might be in an organization or require admin assistance. If that happens, check with your admin or support team to ensure the right permissions are in place. That's all there is to it. Log in with Google, open your profile settings, go to the Account tab, click Remove Me from the workspace, and confirm. Follow those steps and you'll cleanly delete or leave the workspace in just a minute.